Well, you actually have to ask this to the Congress and other opposition parties which have completely stalled proceedings on ridiculous grounds, and it's very clear that they do not want economic reforms to go ahead. They are just blocking everything, and so therefore I can't tell you as to when it will be discussed and when it will be passed.
So given that there is no visibility at this point of time, so do you think joint session is the way to go, given that this is a very important economic reform?
Look, obviously, various options will have to be explored because the government is very determined to see the insurance bill through, and therefore, whether it comes through an ordinance and then comes up in the next session, that we'll have to explore. No decision has been taken yet, but definitely we are not going to allow this logjam to prevent India's economic growth, and insurance bill is a major bill to kickstart the process of reforms, so it will be pushed through even if it means a delay of some weeks or a month or so.
Sir, just one last question. The fact that President Obama is going to be in India next month, do you see this this bill being passed or a decision being taken on that before his meeting, given that insurance is a huge area for the US? Sir?
Look, you can't kind of time legislation on the basis of somebody's visit. But President Obama's visit is very significant in terms of giving a leg up to investment, foreign investment, particularly American investment in this country. We would have liked it to have been passed now, but if the opposition is absolutely adamant, there is a point beyond which the government cannot go. But let us see whether after the session ends, whether the ordinance route can be used.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.